Oh dang, I just spilled a whole bunch of sugar on the floor. Oh dear, silly me. How am I gonna get this up? I gotta find a broom and dustpan. Oh wait, that's right. I own a 1960s Hoover quik-broom. This is a Hoover cleaner model S2015. 120 volts, 60 hertz, AC only. Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio, made in USA. Hoover symbol. This little cleaner uses G-bags. They're really tiny. And it's made for cleaning up messes in your kitchen. As you will see, it is very loud. I am warning you now. Wow. I would like to see any modern day stick vac do as good as that. Thanks for watching.